Hello everyone, today I will show you the photovoltaic connector installation tutorial. First of all, disassemble the nuts of the photovoltaic connector and pass the waterproof ring into the photovoltaic cable. Use photovoltaic wire strippers to remove the wire skin on the surface, and use photovoltaic crimping pliers to connect the copper tin terminal to the line and press tightly. Use the photovoltaic special crimping clamp to press the terminal. Install the terminal to the plug. Install the waterproof ring. Use the photovoltaic special wrench to lock. Repeat the previous steps to install the other connector. The above is the installation tutorial of photovoltaic connector.